Hey squad, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Yuri Tochila, and let's get started. Today we are diving into something every project manager faces. These are enterprise environmental factors. Understanding them is a key to project success. What exactly are EEFs? Think of them as the internal and external conditions that surround and influence the project. They are factors that the project team typically cannot control directly, but they absolutely need to be considered throughout the entire project lifecycle. Ignoring them is like trying to sail a ship without knowing the weather or the currents. We might get somewhere, but it will be a lot harder and riskier. In 2 words, EEFs are project realities we must accept. EEFs can be either internal or external to the organization. First, let's examine the internal EEFs. They are factors that exist within the organization itself. Let's start with organizational culture and structure. This includes hierarchy, leadership style, and risk tolerance. Example: at a traditional bank, we might need 5 signatures just to sign off a minor decision. By contrast, at a SaaS startup, we can literally switch up the roadmap in a week. Another key internal factor is infrastructure. This covers existing technology, software, facilities, and tools. We should also consider human resources. This involves team skills, availability, and hiring and onboarding policies. Equally important is processes and procedures. This encompasses established methodologies, templates, and PMO guidelines. Next, let's look at organizational knowledge. This incorporates lessons learned, historical data, and past project files. Let's switch to external EEFs. These factors come from outside the company. They are more unpredictable and cover everything from the economy to government laws. We begin with marketplace conditions. This comprises market share and supply chain availability. Moving on to legal and regulatory requirements. Depending on the industry and location, there will be laws, regulations, and compliance standards we absolutely must adhere to. Following that, we have government and industry standards. This might include specific quality standards, safety regulations, or environmental guidelines. Example: a construction project must follow local building codes and ISO 45001 safety standards. If we miss compliance, inspections may delay the project indefinitely or incur penalties. We should also highlight financial considerations. This entails exchange rates, interest rates, and the overall economic climate, which can influence project funding and investment decisions. The last one is physical environmental factors. Depending on the project geographical location, weather conditions, and ecological constraints might need to be taken into account. Why EEFs matter? Understanding EEFs is crucial because it helps us. Firstly, tailor our project management approach. What works in one organizational culture might not work in another. Secondly, identify potential constraints and assumptions. Recognizing limitations early allows us to plan accordingly. Thirdly, leverage existing strengths and resources. Understanding our internal capabilities can lead to more efficient execution. Fourthly, mitigate external risks and capitalize on opportunities. Being aware of market trends or regulatory changes can give us a competitive edge. Alright, that's all for today. Don't miss out, hit like and subscribe. Stay awesome, and as always, peace.